Lincoln County, Tennessee. 3 surveyed building lots along the Winchester Highway where convenience meets the countryside. 12 miles from Fayetteville, 15 miles from Jack Daniels in Lynchburg, Tim's Ford Lake just down the road, and Huntsville, Alabama, under 30 minutes away. 3 lots, 2 at 3 acres each for $99,000, and a 5-acre lot at $155,000. Already surveyed, soil sites already approved. Paved road frontage, utilities nearby, and light restrictions in place to protect your investment. Buy one or take all 3. Winchester Highway lots, Lincoln County, Tennessee. Listed with Travis Daniel and Tyler Bauer of Southeastern Land Group. Give one of them a call today to find out more.